Hello, dear family. My name is Reverend Stephen Wengam, your General Superintendent. I bring you cherished Calvary greetings and good tidings of all seasons. We will observe a maiden 1 month, 24 hours prayer chain from Tuesday, 1st July at 6 a.m. to Thursday, 31st July, 2025 at 6 p.m. The theme is Give Him No Rest Till He Makes the Church the Praise in All the Earth. Isaiah 62, verse 7b. Specific period is allotted to every region during which districts and local churches will be praying. Local churches and departments are also encouraged to use the period to organize their own prayer chain events aside the time allotted for them to pray. Remember, when you pray, God works. When you don't pray, you work. Let's observe the 1 month prayer chain together to give meaning to the 2025 theme. Pray without season in relevance to Christ's call to make His temple a house of prayer. Matthew 21 verse 13. Let's pursue the restore component of the transformation agenda, i.e. restoring the early church and the Azusa revival in our time in greater measure through intense praying. Be part of this 1 month prayer chain without fail. Let's make the church the praise in all the earth. Let's make Assemblies of God Ghana a house of prayer. When we pray, God works. When you don't pray, you work. Be part of it. God bless you.
Take it to the Lord in prayer.